Hello everyone, this is Hussein at SNA IT Training Corporation. The purpose of this video is to tell you folks about our Scrum Master certification program. Our Scrum Master certification program basically is a 4-week program, and much more information is already in the email that you have received. So let's go ahead and understand who the Scrum Master is. So a Scrum Master is a liaison between business and your Agile Scrum team. Now, as a Scrum Master, you basically have 3 core responsibilities, if I would break that down. So a Scrum Master is responsible at the team level or teams level. So a Scrum Master could manage one or multiple teams, Scrum teams, right? So there are responsibility at the team level. Then they have a responsibility at the intra-team level where they have to work with other teams that's working with them. And then the major responsibility at the enterprise level. So these are 3 core responsibility of a Scrum Master. Now, understanding, and again, as I say always, is if you're trying to get into a new position or trying to get into a new job, it is extremely imperative for you to understand the 4 factors, right? I always say that's number 1, to understand what's the money. Number 2, to understand what's the skill set a Scrum Master needs in order to be successful. 3rd, to understand the demand. Are there positions available in the market? And number 4 is the supply against the demand. How many positions are available in the market? What is an odd you and I land of that job? So again, going ahead and understanding the money matters and what's the compensations. It's one of the lucratively compensated profession, and you can do your research on glassdoor.com to understand much more in detail, or feel free to call me, text me, and I'll be more than happy to share that information with you. From the skill set perspective, if I have to sum it up, then you need, as a Scrum Master, great communication skill sets, analytical skill sets, and relationship building skill sets, and that will be covered in its entirety in our program. Now, talking from the demand position, again, the demand and supply, you can validate that on glassdoor.com. It's a lot of demanding positions, a lot of positions available, and we all know by 2025, 90% of the organizations are eventually going to move from waterfall to agile, and that will create a lot of Scrum Masters position. Now, one of the most common questions that I get from folks is Scrum Master and Project Manager a same position? Are they interchangeable? So just to go ahead and talk a little bit about it, is that a Scrum Master manages a Scrum team or multiple Scrum team. On the other side, a project manager manages a project. So in simple words, project manager's responsibility is a little more broader than a Scrum Master responsibility. More to come. If you have any further question, feel free to contact me. Again, my contact information is 847-749-6509. Thank you.